Hello, this is Kenji, and welcome to another Joyful Tune-Ins. Today, we're going to do the power of forgiveness, a very powerful energy and state of mind. So let's center and focus through the power of the breath, release the day, release your to-do list, release everything that's going on in the world, come into this now moment. I am here, I am now, I am can be your invitation, your declaration for today. Ground with the new earth. And we're going to center into the heart chakra now. And we wish you now to recall an experience from your past. It could also be past lives, which is carry over into this lifetime. But remember an incident, a circumstance, an event that perhaps discombobulated you, that threw you off center, in which you never fully embrace the healing experience. We could say it's like an incomplete memory, an incomplete experience that has been bugging you in the background of your life for perhaps maybe a long time. Just go back to childhood, it could go back to your first marriage, it could go back to when you started schooling, it could be any number of things. So just pick an experience of which you inwardly know that you need to forgive. And focus through the heart. Activate your Christ presence, or that presence of oneness. And ask your high self to show you now how to forgive yourself, how to forgive others, how to forgive that experience so that you no longer are holding on to unconsciously the memory, the painful memories, the stress, the anxiety of that experience, that situation, that person, that event. Just breathe and receive and allow. Forgiveness is but a decision, a choice to make inwardly. And when once done, from deep within the Lord God of your being, it is done, it is complete. So forgive yourself, forgive all those that are involved, forgive the circumstances, and know that you did the best you could do, and they did the best that they could do. And all is forgiven. All is made right through the power of love and forgiveness. And when you feel complete emotionally with this, invoke, it is done, it is done, it is done. So be it. So let this energy ride throughout the rest of your day, knowing that it is completing itself in divine right timing. And from this, you will feel renewed and refreshed, almost like being reborn in a sense. So thank you for attending. We wish you a beautiful day. Many blessings.